So here you can see this cash book transaction dashboard. Okay, so direct payment you can do from here, direct receipt you can get, transfer you can do, and opening balance you can check. Okay, so these are the history of transaction, so you can see from here also. Suppose if you are choosing this one, direct payment, you can do from here, same procedure. You have to choose your bank account, then you have to choose your account. Okay, then you can choose the date, whatever date you want, then you can choose the amount, and then you can add reference if you want to add, then you can add any description. Okay, then submit the payment, so it was automatically added here. Okay, so next is direct receipt. From here you can get your direct receipt. Suppose I am using this, the procedure is same. Then you have to choose account, then you have to choose this date wise, then you can choose here amount, reference you can left or you can add by own, and description you can add, then submit it. You can see this direct receipt. Okay, type you can see. Now come to the transfer, same procedure. If I am choosing this bank account, suppose I am sending, adding to this account, and date you can choose whatever, same date I am choosing, suppose. And suppose I am adding here to, reference is not needed here, description left, and then transfer. You can see this is transfer. Okay, now come to the opening balance, same procedure. You can choose the bank account, date you can choose, suppose I'm choosing this, I'm adding the opening balance, then reference I'm leaving, and description is same, save opening balance. Now you can see this opening balance. Okay, so these are very simple steps. Okay, so only here you have to choose any of them, whatever work you are doing. So according to that you have to choose, and these details you have to fill. Okay, so that's it about checkbook transaction.